Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You guys, guess what fell right over there? I had to turn it really slow. Wait, that opens the top. You don't want to open the top. How are you doing, little honey? How do I use my flashlight? I could go further that way, but that's about it. Look, what kind of little baby bird is this, you guys? I know the mama won't take it back. I've cleaned it up. Its wings are kind of blue. It's got a stripe going on it. What is this baby birdie? I found a baby birdie. What should I do with this baby birdie, you guys? I've already got it cleaned up. But what do I do now? What do I do now? Keeping it safe from the cats. All locked up. Good to go. There we go. It was all blurry before. Yeah, it's all locked up. So the cats can't get it. And I've got a heat lamp on it. Because it's all I could do for now. It's the best I could do for now. I wonder if it's a baby blue jay. It's blue, you guys. Anywho, I don't know how alive it'll be by the time I post this. Or if I even post it. I don't know if I will. Oh! Holy crap, did I get that on camera? He has been going after pigeons all day. I'm like, Stripes, what are you going to do when you catch a big-ass pigeon? Look, there's another one right over there. Go get it, Stripes, go get it. Oh, it flew away. You poor bastard.